So to start off with NetSuite, like the overview, NetSuite is the #1 cloud ERP system. It helps cater for businesses of all size to increase productivity. It's built from scratch on the cloud, and it is the system that allows for transparency when it comes to real-time metrics and visibility. It allows for KPI scorecards, and also doesn't need an IT infrastructure. So it eliminates the need for a manual process in the system. And it's also easy to customize and integrate NetSuite with third-party tools. It also allows for robust like compliance. It is the best tool for audit practices if your company is going to planning to go for an IPO. NetSuite is the way to go forward, and it's pretty secure. It has two-factor authentication, along with it allows for integrations with other security tools like Okta. So it is the perfect mix of compliance and security. And from a reporting standpoint, NetSuite has been the best reporting tool when it comes to like suite analytics or save searches. But it has grown over the time. When it first started with basic reporting, it now has 95 plus reports that would allow for like solid reporting practice across all divisions inside NetSuite. So like I mentioned, NetSuite is one system for the entire company. So it has all of these different modules in the system, like all the way from customer management, orders, your like financial planning, pricing, returns, all your product data is available inside NetSuite. All from different, again, C-level executives all the way to your customers, sales reps, and partners. So for today's session, we'll be looking at the basic navigation inside NetSuite. We'll be looking into headers, centers, dashboards on a high level, global search, and we'll be looking to create new menus or like customize new menus in NetSuite. And along with that, we'll do like what are quick views inside NetSuite. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the live demo. Let me get out of here. So if you guys can see my screen, I am on a demo account right now. And to give you guys an overview, like this is where you would have your NetSuite logo. Your company's logo ideally would show up here. And NetSuite UI is pretty intuitive. It has your menu bars over here, a global search bar on the top, followed by a create new button here. You have your NetSuite help, feedback, and your user details over here. So to get started before I get started on this demo, let me give you guys an overview of what the different aspects are inside this menu. Like the first thing is the recent records. This is a lifesaver in terms of you can view your recently accessed records, and shortcuts are one such thing that helps you like quickly navigate to any page or records that you have frequent access to in the system. So there's the home. This is the home dashboard, which we're going to go over to next. So the home dashboard, like I showed you here, is the page which you would get into first on your NetSuite login page after you log in. So you can personalize this with like multiple portlets, a custom search, KPIs, lists. So what, like when I say a portlet or a search, it means is that you could have, for example, like your draft implementation timeline, right? So you want to show it in your home dashboard. So you can use a custom portlet to do so. So NetSuite allows you to have your own calendar. It allows you to sync, can set it up. NetSuite also has features for RSS Atom feed. It allows you to set up. You can also use source from the list of links available, or you can also use a custom URL to feed and have it displayed on your home dashboard. So this is about the home dashboard. You can also customize the layout. There's that. And once that is complete, like you can also view like different searches in the system, like open balances, open bills. Here you can navigate to different aspects in the system. So all of this is only like possible through like setting up your system, and it has this login audit. If you're an admin, you should be able to see who's logged into the system, what time, which IP address. Okay, so next I wanted to like show you guys is the most important aspect of NetSuite is the global search. The ever expansive system has so much data in it across sales, marketing, ERP, financials, and even if you have a manufacturing practice, then it would be your inventory data too. So all of this together is inside NetSuite. So one quick quick tips here are like, if you wanted to search for a customer, you don't have to like just type the name of the customer. Rather, you could do like if you wanted to see the full details of the customer, you can type in dash colon and type in like say, so this would give you the dashboard of the customer. The best aspect of NetSuite is you can access it anywhere, like be it on your mobile, desktop, or a tablet. So this is a customer dashboard. It gives you their key performance indicators. This is a different view from the basic customer record. So using the global search is the key here. You can type in like CUST, would also give you your customer. So this prefix is the key here for global searching inside NetSuite. Okay, you can also use regular expressions like person, which gives you any name like Centennial Services, for example, CNT. So it gives you all a list of customers with starting with CEN. Okay, and then if you wanted to like see a quick view of that customer, you can always hover over that link, and it would give you a quick view of that customer, like what their status is, if they're closed one or not, and you can view or edit from here. So you can also use this create new button to create or a new event, phone call, sales order, opportunity, or you can personalize this to add in new options. So if I wanted to like add an activity, I would select activity and save this. So this way, this would be part of the the new menu. So this is just an overview of NetSuite, like, and I would like to go back to the demo page so I can show you guys some more aspects about NetSuite. So some keyboard shortcuts for you guys to get started. So you can use Alt and G anywhere on your home, like on your NetSuite dashboard, to go over to the global search field real quickly. And also you can use Alt and the first letter of the subtab to navigate to the subtab inside the main customer record. Again, like I mentioned before, you can use recents and like your favorites to like be more productive and save time if you're using the same record often. And I have put some tips and tricks about global searches like dash customer name, including a plus right after your search search term, for instance, gives you the inactive records too, not just the active ones. If you wanted to see the full list of records in the system, you use the plus icon. So also you can search for multiple strings on the global search using the OR operator. So like customer ABC or like XYZ, you can definitely use the OR operator to do a list of this or that. So I've put some prefixes like from using that are used often inside NetSuite and which will help you save time when searching for the data. So you can use the global search prefix from this list. You don't have to use the same letters, but you can use similar. So for example, customer, you can just use CU instead of CUST. So these are some of the examples that you could use for sales orders, vendors, VEN, expense reports, EXP, employee, you can use EM or EMP. So these are some tricks that you could get started with, like, and make your NetSuite life better. So coming to like the last aspect of like our session today is the certifications inside NetSuite. So there are multiple career paths you could go inside NetSuite. You can be an administrator certificate. You could get one, or you could become an ERP consultant. You can become a technical or functional consultant inside NetSuite, or a NetSuite developer who's proficient with JavaScript or like the new term SuiteScript inside NetSuite. So these are the certifications, and this is from Anderson Frank. They're one of the top like staffing firms for NetSuite roles. So, and like I mentioned, I started a firm, Data Ants, which provides services in the NetSuite space. So we provide NetSuite support. We help with integrating NetSuite with third-party services, training, and any certification help that you guys need, along with business intelligence solutions, Tableau, Power BI. If you wanted to extend your NetSuite reporting capabilities to a third-party tool like Tableau, for instance, we're more than happy to help you guys there. And last but not the least, I'm happy to like take any questions you have either on the LinkedIn event page, or you can scan this link to provide feedback. And I would like to take this opportunity to like give you guys a free basics PDF, which is more on the lines of tips and tricks to use global search, how to create or personalize a new menu, and like to get started with NetSuite, and how to go around and like play inside NetSuite.